Here at 142 Shaw Avenue, and you can see we're up in the air on the roof here. Now we removed 2 layers of shingles here and over here, and in the valley we had aluminum over top of this, and then 2 layers of shingles, and then some more metal. And you can see how they nailed right into it. The aluminum, they didn't overlap enough, and then where they overlapped, they even nailed it to take away the overlap even more, and then bent a nail over. And you know how roofing nails, when you bend them over, they never go tight. So just bad practices there. So now we're going to remove the rest of these. One of the good things I did, don't underestimate how much time it takes to take the shingles off the roof. There's a lot of weight. I've done about 20 bags, about 100 pounds each, just to give you an idea. Now, one thing I did really smart, probably the smartest thing I've done so far, is I started insulating with the cellulose bags, saved the bags, and I'm reusing them to pull all the shingles off the roof and get them to the dump. Then I dump the bag and reuse it. The very strong bags are awesome for this, about the right size too. So I think re-nailing. You can see how I'm nailing those nails in really good. Taking out any bad ones over here. They had some really poor nailing along the edge here. They bent them over. They gave up. I had to pull all the bent ones out because I don't like that. And then I've re-nailed it. I'm going to put a new piece of drip edge over top of this one because that worked pretty good on the other side. So I need to finish nailing. We need to get this metal out of here, and then we need to build in our valley. I think I have another video on that, so no sense of talking about that now. And so I finished re-nailing, and we got to get putting a roof on because this is the end of it today. I started yesterday about 3 o'clock. It's now about 9:30, I think, in the morning the next day, and I need to get this done and back home, ideally before dark, but that's probably not going to happen. 3-hour trip. Okay, back at it.